Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Avalon Visions Oracle by Cheryl Yambrach Rose, Sacred Wisdom Through the Three Realms. And if this art style and name sounds familiar, she also brought to you the Through the Eyes of the Soul Oracle, which is very stunning. Okay, I'm very excited. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this my way. This retails for $28.95, published by Blue Angel. Everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this will be linked down in the description box below. Okay, the doors to the sacred triad of Celtic spirituality open to you inside this powerful oracle deck, inspired by the mysticism of Avalon and Arthurian myth. Journey through the interwoven realms of the otherworld, the terrestrial world, and the stellar world, each a vital strand in the web of existence. Here you can embrace the wisdom of the nature divas, or devas, deep wells, star beings, and ancient kings, queens, and priestesses to awaken the sovereignty of your multidimensional self. Through Cheryl Yambrach Rose's signature visionary paintings, this deck is a portal that empowers you to transcend linear limitations and access source directly. There are no levels to climb, only the vast, interconnected presence of all three realms coexisting in divine harmony. Let these cards be your initiatory guide into ancient truths, earth magic, and cosmic possibilities. Your calling to the threshold of triumphant transformation awaits. I am very excited. I love the gold foiling on the package. Very pretty. Okay. Oh, these cards will liberate your inner knowing and build pathways through word and image to connect you to the infinite wisdom of Source. And that was on the inside of the top. Gorgeous. Okay, let's take a peek at the guidebook first. Love the Celtic knot. Color printed. All right, we have a foreword, Realms of Avalon with card spreads, and then it goes into the card meanings. Each one has their own page linked. Love that. This oracle encompasses those three realms of Celtic spirituality centered around Glastonbury. The other world is where different creative expressions bubble up from the waters of Gaia's inner earth through magical wells and springs. It is a place of inspiration where gifts and knowledge are brought back to the surface through the hero's journey of transformation. The terrestrial world is the land of nature where many diverse animals, plants, humans, and other living beings interconnect and occupy the surface world of this planet. The stellar world is where interstellar communications come down from above through celestial beings, astrology, and the different races of our star family. This world has been co-opted by religion and shrouded in dogma for centuries. Now it is time to look up and expand your own universe with enhanced perception. Within every person is a multi-sensory being. These cards will liberate your inner knowing and build pathways through world and image to connect you to the infinite wisdom of Source. There are no timelines or levels to go up or down. That is linear thinking and human concept. The three worlds of the Celts exist all at once and are intricately interwoven. This deck was painted in Glastonbury and in my castle studio in Northern Ireland overlooking the Irish Sea. Ugh, could you imagine? I am super jealous. Okay. I created this oracle deck by reaching into the continuum of the sacred sites of Avalon and seeing what is held within its grid. I paint the higher dimensional experience of those sites along with historical data. I have joyfully drawn on so many decades of experiences and visions in Southwest Britain and Wales to bring into being a powerful portal for readings. Okay, then we have card spreads, the three realms, the Tor, Morgan's portal, the sacred well, through the veils of the year. And then it goes into the card meanings. Okay, I'm quite excited. I love this art style. I think it's stunning. Oh, that was the back. Okay. It's a matte. And it's a nice thicker cardstock. On the medium side, but still very flexible. Snapping back. No complaints here. All right. I'm going to read the title just because it might not show up very well on screen. Parting the Mists of Avalon, Answer the Calling. Arthur under the Tor, a deep connection emerges. The Swan Maiden, transformation. Little swan right there. Oh, The Secret Well, disruption. The Portal Beckons, retreat. Avalon Garden Deva or Diva, observe and listen. Wick Hollow, an invitation beckons. Manannan McLear, new discoveries. Oh, got a tail. King Uther and the Dragon's Breath, destiny. Avalon Oracle, you are not alone. The Tor Gate, the portal is opening. Magdalene Close, nurture others. Winter Solstice, sacred marriage. Arthur's Footprint, crown yourself. Priestess Blessing, healing. Little burb. Guinevere, confidence. Arthur at Tintagel with triumph. Tintagel. Cyrano's sexual energy. Magog, persevere. Dinas Imries, you have the power. Caradwin's Cauldron, prepare for change. I am probably butchering everyone's name. I'm so sorry. Imbolc with spring into action. Oh, that's so cool. Little lamb. The Initiation of Arthur, conquer your fear. Beltane with fertility. The Nine Morgans with light your inner fire. Lognasa with abundance and bounty. I'm never able to pronounce the Wheel of the Year names correctly, just so you know. Brigantia with wealth. The Three Grails, clear the mist. Avnova with go with the flow. Your flow, excuse me. Epona with guardianship. The Egg Stone, make a wish. Beckery and the Blue Spring, new insights are revealed. Song of Branwen, sing even if your heart is breaking. Celtic Shamanka, don your spiritual armor. Green Men of Glastonbury, share the load with joy. Ellen of the Ways, lead. That's so pretty. The arrival of the Tuatha De Danann, adapt to a new location. Caer Aranrod with inspiration and initiation. Morgan, High Priestess of Avalon, Secret Sanctum. Archangel Michael with Justice. I didn't think I would see an Archangel in this deck. That's interesting. Tagatan Warrior with Assistance is at Hand. Angel of Chalice, well, speak your truth. Silbury Stargate, think outside the flock. And Chalice Well Continuum, you are the Oracle. Stunning artwork, beautifully done. Love that. Ooh, shuffle's nice. All right, let's go overhand. And we're doing it well with the overhand also. Okay. We're going to read for the Tagatan Warrior. Assistance is at hand. All right. Ask for help, then pay attention. You do not know in what form it will come. You may benefit from adapting to things outside your comfort zone. Expand your awareness to include the stellar world. Listen carefully to the answers and directions from your star family, for they are all around you. You may be given an assignment to participate in the changes that are taking place. You are an immortal spirit dwelling temporarily in a third-dimensional body. You have a unique frequency and soul signature that is yours alone. Your DNA is like a biological internet. There are symbols and codes spliced into it for recognition and communication with the stellar world. This coding identifies your galactic origins and is carried within you through lifetimes. Your star family can read this code, and they are waiting for you to awaken and remember, so you are able to interact with them and receive their assistance. Neomythic Bridge. Unidentified Anomalous Phenomena, UAP, previously UFO. Okay, first of all, as I'm recording this, 2 days ago, the U.S. released UAP and UFO files. Now, whether or not they are a bluff or, a distraction, whatever the case may be, I find this very interesting that this was a synchronicity that came up after that. So that's wild that this was the card that came out. Okay. UAP and UFO sightings over Glastonbury Tor are commonplace and have been observed as far back as records were written and events were painted. As in the saying, as above, so below, there are conflicts throughout the densities of the stellar realms. There is a war going on above as in below, one affecting the other. Fortunately, there are humanoid beings who are related to us and consider us family. They are endeavoring to assist. Interesting. Okay, I wanted to look back on what she mentioned about the bridge part real fast. Each card message, you will find a passage called Neomythic Bridge. This is the background story on each painting and how it represents the past, present, and future Avalon continuum. Awesome. Okay. I really like this. I think this is a different type of Avalon deck. Very beautifully done. Very different. I really like the different sections that they have, the different realms, I'll say. Stunning. Just beautiful. I like that it's on a specific subject and area. I think that's really cool too. Just stunning artwork. I think this is definitely a different type of deck. I don't know if it would be an everyday deck, but I definitely would consider it a daily pull deck. But if you are someone who loves the Avalon myths, if you are somebody who's trying to deepen their ties with that, this might be a deck for you. This is absolutely stunning, beautiful, and I highly recommend checking it out if you have been loving the Through Your Eyes of the Soul deck, because the artwork and the vibes are very similar. So I will let you check that out if you haven't done so in the link in the eye. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts on this. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you are, intrigued about? Do you own any other Cheryl decks? I would love to know your thoughts. Please let me know all of them down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and drop a wizard emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this my way, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!